Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix your Facebook app not downloading. Well, there can be quite few reasons for that, so let's dive right into it. First of all, make sure that your internet is stable. So either you are using a cellular data or Wi-Fi, make sure that it is very stable. Just like this, here you can see both of my networks are stable. So after doing that, here you might just want to scroll down through your control panel and turn on your airplane mode first of all. Tap on this airplane icon right here, turn it on, and within few seconds, you might want to tap on it and turn it off one more time. And like that, your cellular data will reset and it might start working. So if it's not working, then the next thing is to simply get to the settings. And after getting to the settings of your phone, scroll down a bit and you can see the option of screen time, tap on it. And from here, you can tap on content and privacy restrictions. Make sure that it is turned off just like this. But if it is turned on your phone like this, make sure you go on the iTunes and App Store purchases just like this. And then you can tap on the installing apps right here. And then you'll have to make sure that the allow is selected. So after making sure that, the next thing that you want to do is simply try to make sure that you are signed into your Apple ID. So go back and open your App Store just like this. And on the top right corner right here, tap on the profile icon. And here you can see I am currently signed into my account. Just like this, make sure that you are signed in. If you are not, simply tap on sign in option and sign into your account. Sometimes this kind of normal problem can occur, your Facebook not being downloaded. So even after doing all of that, if it's still not working, then you might want to simply sign out of your Apple ID. For that, again, open your App Store and then tap on your profile icon one more time. Scroll all the way down. And then you can see the option of sign out. Simply tap on sign out, and like that, you are now signed out of your account. So again, you can tap on the profile icon right here and then tap on sign in with Apple account just like this. Tap on continue. Here you can see we have now successfully been signed into our account, and from here you can again search for Facebook and try to download it that way. But even after all that, if it's still not working, then the final thing that you can do is simply try to check your storage, for which again get to the settings, and from here you can simply tap on your general option right here, and from here tap on iPhone storage. And after doing that, here you can see I still have some space left in my phone. If it is like fully occupied on your phone, you won't be able to download any kind of applications that includes Facebook. So it might be the reason. So you can simply try to uninstall some kind of applications that you don't use anymore and try to install Facebook like that. And yeah, that is it. These were some few ways that you can try to fix your Facebook app not downloading on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.